Hey guys, how's it going today? Wow, look at Lululemon. It has been on quite the run lately. Even in the last year here, it's been on a huge run. And today they reported their first quarter earnings and it's up over 16%. So that's huge. So I wanted to do a video because I've been watching this company and wondering to myself, should I get in? And maybe you've been wondering the same thing. And the question is, at a PE of 60 here, is this worth a buy? Now, a lot of analysts are getting super bullish on it. They're saying that there's still a long runway for growth, and this is quite possible, especially when you see numbers like what was actually announced today. Just a quick little uh, tidbit here. Year over year, we saw revenue up 25%. We saw gross profit up 34%, which is huge, especially in the retail and clothing sector here. Uh, Gross margin was 53.1%. That's amazing. And that's something that Lululemon's been very good at is, they have very expensive clothing and their gross margin is amazing. Um, and yeah, so basically, and they're talking about, comparable store sales and, stuff like that. It's all amazing. But the question is, is it worth 60 times earnings when you're looking at other companies like well, this is Lululemon. Nike is trading at 31 times earnings. These other companies have basically been in the basement. JC Penney is just being tanked. It's not even profitable. Same with a company like Under Armour. So it's a very competitive, very difficult space to be in. The one that I probably compare them most to is Nike. Um, but I feel like Lululemon's run a little too fast, a little too quickly. If you're looking at the RSI, it's at 88 now, meaning, potentially I'm not, like I said, a technical analyst or anything like that, but it's definitely well overbought. Um, but these analysts are basically saying it's got room to run. And you know what? There's a good chance that it could. Um, but personally, myself, I think I'd be waiting for a little bit of a pullback and then getting into when it's a little bit better of a multiple here, because the stock is amazing, but we got to realize what this stock is part of. It's part of retail, it's part of clothing, and that's notoriously very difficult. I do give Lululemon credit; they have an amazing, online website where you can order basically for free and then return. So basically, you never have to worry about ordering online. You just say, "Oh, I'll order it, whatever." Other companies don't do that, and I think that's one huge reason for a lot of their success. But at the same time, like I said, we are in the retail space here, and I kind of think it's run a little too fast, a little too quick. I'd be very interested to know what you guys want to know. I got Siri in the background there. Um, I'm very interested what you guys think, if you think it's overvalued, undervalued. And it'll be interesting to watch this and see if it keeps running. I think it might run a little bit and then pull back, but we'll see. It's hard to say. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, guys, and I will talk to you in the next one.